my gators in this early morning for me, and I think this is Halloween day if I'm not mistaken, but I do a lot of TikTok videos, and because of that, I forget to turn my phone the other way. So this is a vlog of just shopping with me at Menards, getting some things for my fixer-upper because I'm getting ready to do some painting and a lot of other DIY projects. So I want you to excuse me for this format, but if you want to fill up your screen, just hit that little button on the right and it'll make the actual format fill your screen instead of having black bars on each side. Excuse me if a video does come out like this. That's all you have to do is fill your screen to the right. I hope you enjoyed. Talk to me in the comments. I do talk back, guys. Wait till you see what happens in this video. Like, it's like people just want to be helpful, and I love it, love it, love it. So enjoy the video and make sure you join the family by hitting that subscribe button. And guess what? The notification button will allow you not to miss any videos, and talk to me in the comments. I do talk back. Enjoy the vlog. Later, gators. Y'all, Amish man was hitting on me. Look at y'all. He kind of cute.
Please.
Okay.
Please leave it in there.
Okay.
I don't know how many of them guys, they just swing them up down.
No. Early in the morning at Menards, grabbing some things for some projects. So now I gotta find some rollers, some concrete, and then some metal pins if they have them. So let's see what they got. Got rollers. Where are the rollers at? Need the small ones. Here. I don't see the long. Oh, $6. Jesus Christ. Are you serious? I need this size here. What's this? All paints and stains, smooth and even finish, shed resistant. I don't know if I need that for what I'm doing. Let me see. It's looking like, because I want a smooth finish for that floor, so it's looking like this is gonna be it. I do have a smaller one, but I don't want to go that small. I think this is as small as I want to go. Oh wait, where did I? Yeah, these are 5.9. Maybe this was in the wrong spot. I think they were, because that looks master. Hold on. All right, let's go find. Should I get something like this? But I feel like this ain't gonna do what I needed to do. It's probably two. It's probably two. It's because this is only $6. You cannot beat that. Microfiber paint, $6 for all this, and I can actually use this. And I'm getting more stuff. I don't know. Let me find out. I don't know. I'm thinking because of these two rollers and that. It's not like I care to keep the thing again. Let me see what's over here. Okay, the master got one too. Oh, it's much more. And you know, Purdy gonna always be high. Oh, look. Okay. I might as well get this where I can get another roller and a pan with the high density smooth. Because these right here are $6. Like, yeah. This seems like a better deal for $7. I do want these. And that way my baby can help me if she wants. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this, because these are the ones I really want. And yeah, this is a good deal though for $6. That's not bad at all. I do need some more rollers, so I might get this too for my other paint job. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that since it's on sale. And then this for what I need it for. If these are $5, well, I already got a pan and a roller thing. I really don't need another one. Let me make sure this is $5. If this is $5, I'm just gonna get this and then get this as an extra set, because I got all this stuff. I bought one of these sets before. I just really want these, so we'll see. I'm gonna just get the kit. It's worth it. It's worth it. Like, if I have multiple jobs to do, I can have more than one tray, and this will be a fresh tray for the new project. I'm gonna just get that. Yeah, so let's go look for the concrete in these pins. Good morning, y'all. It is like 7:20 in the morning. I just dropped my baby off. That's what I get for picking in my face at school. And I'm getting ready to go look for concrete. We pinned down the house around the deck so no animals can get under the deck. So now I noticed there was this little hole where it looked like animals was trying to get in or either got in under my crawl space. So I was told to get concrete. So I'm about to go get concrete. And I'm going to see if I can find some underpins, like some metal pins, because that's what I put all around the deck so they couldn't dig even under the chicken wire that I put up. So I'm going to get concrete and look for some really long pins to put around the base of my house in certain areas so they can't dig. They won't be able to get through. So we'll see. Forever knife for $1. Stay sharp forever. Really? Y'all believe that? For $2, you really can't beat it though, right? I'm gonna try, because I love the chop and cooking. Yeah, for $2, you cannot beat that. What's the difference between buy one at price $199, rebate $177? So it'll be $177 after the rebate. What you mean, never get one free? I don't get it. Do I get two? If I get two, I'll get my daughter one. But let me make sure this is stainless steel. Okay, made of laser cut stainless steel. Okay. I don't know how this works. I'm gonna have to ask somebody because it's saying buy one, get one. October, November, copper stainless steel knife. I don't get it. He's gonna go ask because they definitely need a sharp knife there too. So if that's the case, I'll get me one and get my daughter and my mom one because they're together anyway. So they need one at their house. So I'll get them one and get me one. What's this? It says copper. Nope. No rebate.
No rebate.
Still a current date.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
November 3rd it ends.
Yep.
So she got someone and he said it is buy one get one free. So we'll see. I got two for them and two for me. She was like, I will get more just in case. So I got two for me and two for them. Well, you could have enough knives, but I like to do a lot of chopping and cutting, so I think it's perfect. So yeah. But they eat that. That's foam. It's like foam. Yeah. I was told don't use any foam or yeah, because they eat through that. They eat through the craziest stuff. Didn't even realize it. They eat through it. Yeah. Yep, they will eat through that foam. Looking for a fast setting concrete. It's weird being out here this early. It's still dark outside. Okay.
30 to 40 minutes.
Okay. And this is the fastest one you have? Oh, what's this? What's that? I just seen something say, oh, I thought it said instant.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
but crack resistant.
Yeah.
And it has the fibers in it. That's my whole thing. I just don't want to mix if I don't have to. What's that? No mixing. Is that one the same? What's this? That's more. That's more.
There's that.
Yeah. Oh, what is this? How do you know?
I don't know. I just saw it.
Because that box, some idiot last year, yeah, those things kind of heavy. Thank you. It rolled. It's a slope. I see it. What you see? Oh, there you go. There they go right there. Oh.
4 inch.
Yep. And how is that the longest they get?
6 inch.
6 inch. And what is that? 4. Okay. So I guess 6 is the longest, huh? Okay. She used the knives before and she said they work really well and they last long. They stay sharp long. She said the copper didn't peel till after like 3 or 4 years. Good. He ended up showing me these here and these are much thicker. So I got a box of these so I can put around the house. And they are galvanized. He said they won't rust. And they are 8 inches. So I got a box for $16.99. Because I was going to end up buying 2 packs of those other ones for $10. So I get this whole box here with a lot of them in it for $16. So I'm going to just go in and get that. All right. Let's go. I think that's all I needed. Let me check my list. I got this in here was heavy, so I just left it down
Yeah,
there.
please.
Okay.
Please leave it in there.
Okay.
You don't know how many of them guys, they just swing them up down.
No. I'm gonna leave it in there. Right. That thing is heavy.
It's fine. See, I have this big long cord.
Oh yeah, you can get it right. What are you, a pirate?
Oh, yeah.
Those are okay. Robert said to let him know those are supposed to be buy one get one free. Okay, because they weren't showing up when they were scanning them for me. That back there.
Well, they don't until, see right here, they're showing $1.99.
Uh-huh.
And when I total,
It took 2 off.
It took 2 off.
Okay, all right.
It won't until it totals.
Okay.
You get it.
Yes, ma'am. After. Ooh.
It's already, it was $8.99. It's $1.14 off. 561.
Oh, the good goodies is below. I'm getting candy for my pocket.
It's showing $6.99 as the after rebate price. So
After? Okay. Okay. So to take more off.
yeah, you'll get an 11% rebate on everything.
Yeah. Okay.
So $48.45. We'll take this off.
So you gotta bag your stuff up similar to Audie's. So yeah, right. At home, grab my baby's charger. She tells me, Mommy, I left my charger, so I gotta bring it to the school. This thing is heavy. Hold on, y'all.
Good.
Yeah. And then paint some floors. So, yep.
Want me to come do it for you?
You do work?
Yeah.
You got a card or something?
No, I just,
You got a number?
yeah.
Okay, give me a number. Hold on. Let me. Y'all, Amish man was hitting on me. Look at y'all. He kind of cute. Look, y'all. I'm trying to get him. It's a lot of Amish out here. Look at him. Y'all see him? You see him? He back there. He back there. He walking away. He gave me his number because he does a lot of work on houses, but I want y'all to see his face. Oh my gosh. He's a cutie Rudy. So I could not get that concrete out of the basket. Mind you, when she put it in, she kind of like chunked it in going down, but trying to pick it up all the way off the ground, couldn't do it. I was like, can you please help? He's like, yeah, what you trying to do? So yeah, let me see if I can go this way. Hold on, and get a glimpse of Mr. Glenn. There he go. There he go. Dang it, I wish I could have seen his face. Ah. He was a cutie. He had like these pretty eyes. Like, I don't know. He was talking about how they built from the ground up, and he, you know, most of them, the ones that stayed like in their, I don't know how to say it. I don't want to say the wrong thing. Their belief, they still don't use cell phones and stuff like that. And I was like, oh, I could just shoot you a text and you have my number too. So I just got his number. He's like, oh no, I just go out to the black box when I get a phone call. I was like, oh, y'all still do the black box? I said, I thought a lot of you guys became more modernized. He's like, no, we still use the black. Well, their people, his family still uses the black box. I was like, wow, okay. All right. All right, let me get home, take this stuff, and then go get the little girl her